All right, let me see. Let me see what's going on YouTube side. Then give me 1 second. Let me see if I can fix the audio on YouTube. Give me 1 second. Let me see if I can fix the audio on YouTube. Yo, 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 yo. Somebody give me a mic check on YouTube. Let me know how I'm sounding. For those that are on YouTube, let me know how I'm sounding. If I got any audio coming through, or is it blank? Okay, so the audio's good. The audio's good. Perfect, 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 perfect. There's just no music on YouTube. We can hear your voice. You know what? That's because I put something on that clears out all the background noise. That's probably why you can't hear it in the background now. And I think that might have been what the problem was with my audio on the Brother Rich show. Yeah, we back over 100K. Back over 100K. Now, now let me say this. Let me say this about that dip, right? You got high volatility in the market right now, right? So the dip may not be over. We do got high volatility, right? We do have very, very, very high volatility. Let me clear that up real quick, give you a clear look at it. Get that off of there. There we go. So we do got some very, very, very high volatility going on right now. I would say that. You know what I mean? But nah, we had a dip all the way down to like 90, 92, $91,000, depending on what exchange you was on. You know, if you think that Bitcoin hit almost 104,000 and then dipped back down to like 92 and people wasn't going to buy that dip up, you're wrong. You're wrong. Yes, I actually have oil of oregano, pure skin solutions. I actually have some oil of oregano and clove. I put it on a Q-tip and rubbed it on the back of my gums. Right, you know the clove it really numbed it. That's why I'm going live now. I already feel the pain coming back in. Yeah, it definitely does, Miss Jerica. It definitely does. Peace, power, and prosperity, family. How we doing out there? Y'all already know what time it is. Bitcoin Block Bully coming to you once again with a midday show of coffee and crypto. How are y'all feeling out there? How's the day going? How is the day going? How's the investing going? How was the crypto going for each and every individual out there? Hopefully, you're sitting back either acquiring information to make your next move your best move, or you're continuing on with the original moves that you made, making smarter moves as you go forward. Because remember, you should always get better at anything that you're doing, right? You should always get better at anything that you're doing. Someone said on Twitter, dips are for buying, not crying. I agree with that. I definitely agree with that. I definitely agree with that. Let's do a quick roll call. Let me see where everybody's checking in. I know it's the middle of the day. It's Friday. Let's do a quick roll call. Let me know what city, state, and or country you're checking in from. Let me know where my people are tapping in from. It's crazy how you could be happy about a $10,000 dip. Yeah, it's for those that are in the know and understand it. Brother Peter said, rub some CBD oil on the gums and a few drops under your tongue. Okay, I gotta go get some CBD oil then, Miss A. Tell Brother Peter, thank you. Tell him thank you. I definitely need to go get some. So we got the DMV checking in. We got Tulsa, Oklahoma checking in. Okay, let me see. We got North Carolina, Toronto, Canada, Omaha. We got the United Kingdom in the house. Cleveland, Ohio. Okay, we got the Netherlands checking in. What's going on? Kansas City. Delaware's in the house. Chicago native is in the building. Big shout out to the Chi-Town bullies out there. DC, South Carolina. Um, Brother Harris checking in from out west. West side of West side. Chicago educated. Checking in from Chicago, aka Siberia. I like that. Texas and Cali. What's going on? Brooklyn is in the building. Brooklyn's in the building. We got Texas in the house. Peace, peace, peace. Good afternoon. Tennessee's in the building. Phoenix, Cali, Charlotte, North Carolina, Florida. I eat 1 or 2 whole cloves every day to keep cavities away. Damn, that's interesting. Hey, Crenshaw's in the building. What's going on? Texas is in the house. Wisconsin, Florida, Fall River, Massachusetts is in the building. Peace, 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 peace. I appreciate everybody that's tuning in and tapping in right now for this midday show of coffee and crypto with the Bitcoin block bullies. We can see prices have had a slight little dip. You got some of the alts that are still in the red right now, waiting to pick themselves back up. Now, the big question, right? The big question really should be: is the dip over, or are we going to continue to rally, right? And I think that the biggest telltale sign is Ashley Gray. What's going on, Queen? We got the Bronx in the building. Peace, peace, peace. H-Town, Connecticut, Miami, Atlanta, DMV coming in again. So what I like to look at, right, and what individuals need to become familiar with is the total crypto market cap. All right, the total crypto market cap. Total crypto market cap is basically a conglomerate of all of the assets in the space, right? Bully, what's your thoughts on Tap or Taproot? We were just teaching about Taproot a couple of months ago in the Bitcoin class. Excuse me. But what we're looking at is the total crypto, right? This is the total crypto market cap, CTM. All right. Right now it's trading at about $3.6 trillion. Henry Griffey Jr., what's going on? Peace, peace, peace. Right now it's trading at about $3.6 trillion, right? $3.6 trillion. Now, the high that we recently reached on the 5th of December, right? Which was just yesterday, which is our highest high to date. If I'm not mistaken, let me take a look real quick. Let me make sure we are at our highest high to date with the total. We are. We're at our highest high to date. Okay, cool. I just wanted to make sure that we were at our highest height to date. So now if we were to break this down, right, and look at that most recent dip coming in right about here, right? You have to break your previous highs in order to continue to rally. We can come close and then fail, right? And then see a deeper retracement or a longer retracement and then consolidation. But this was a very, 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 very quick recovery. In fact, this recovery here is coming into the tune of somewhere between, hold on, we mark it off, see where we got here. Where are we at? Where are we at? Where are we at? That was a recovery of $293.1 billion, right? So if now we're looking at what type of recovery BTC had in the same breath, right? As of right now, Bitcoin's had a $9,809 recovery. Once again, Bitcoin's had a $9,809 recovery, which is about a 10% bounce since the lows. Hey, we got Crenshaw in the building. I think we got a couple of Cali Crenshaws in the building between King Ave and Manchester. Peace, peace, peace. And chewy mints that will get rid of cavities and improve overall oral health. Thank you. What's your thoughts on Crowcoin? I never been big on crypto.com. I'm gonna keep it a buck with you. Don't understand, but I'm gonna watch and listen. Okay, not a problem, not a problem. Longs were getting liquidated. Now, definitely, bucking and trading against the trend is what you're seeing. So right now, a $9,000 recovery, 9,800, almost a $10,000 recovery after seeing about a what was the dip? So Bitcoin lost 12,000. What was this? $12,150 worth of value within a 19-hour and 15-minute session. Okay. What was the last chart you had up? I just joined in. That was the total crypto market cap. Now we're looking at Bitcoin. But going back to total crypto market cap, right? Going back to total crypto market cap. This is where you would be looking for your recovery to come in at. This is where you'd be looking for your recovery to come in at. So now if we're going to use something a little bit technical like the Fibonacci indicators, right? We can see that we've already broken through. We look what happened. We banded up, rallied inside of the golden ratio, and then continued to rally within a 15-minute chart. This is only a 15-minute chart as of right now. But nonetheless, what's happened is that we've broken above that 78.6% retracement level. What we're looking to do now is take out 3.63 trillion, and then that'll open up the door for us to get to 3.69 and 3.73 trillion dollars as far as the total crypto market cap goes. Now, what does that mean for Bitcoin and Ethereum and everything else? Well, let's take a look real quick. Let's take a look. Remember, this is on the lower time frame right now, so please be mindful of that. Let me actually turn this off and switch this to a different time frame. Let me just get rid of it actually. I don't even know what you're doing here on this time frame. So let me dump this real quick. Get rid of that. Move you up here. There we go. And then get rid of you. All right, cool. So now what we want to take a look at, right, is from dip to recovery, right? Ooh, look what's happening. You're getting the rejection right there. Look at that clean, clear rejection. See why I love technical analysis? Look at that clean, clear rejection right there. Look at that. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Who says technical analysis doesn't work? And then look at the support levels here, right? Look at how price, right? Once it breaks, it bounces off the level. Look at this right here. Once it breaks, it bounces off the level. You get above your next level, you bounce off it. You get above, and now you're rejecting. I'm telling y'all, this is just like a game of Donkey Kong to me. That's all I see is the little Mario brother playing, going up the ladders, trying to get to the top to get to the princess, right? When I'm doing technical analysis. You can't hear anything? Yo, y'all can't hear nothing on Instagram? I see artist Gemini says she can't hear anything. Let me know if my audio's coming through. Let me know if my audio's messed up. For anybody that's tapping in right now, let me know how the audio is going. Let me know how audio feel sounding right now. Okay, I'm good. Okay, just wanted to make sure. Just wanted to make sure. Just wanted to make sure. So now, what's happening, right? Hold on, this is my track. It's so sorry y'all can't hear that on YouTube. Y'all can't hear this? Hey, peace. Big shout out to brother Ben Gordon, Chicago's own Big Gordon coming in the Instagram chat. Chicago legend. What's going on, BG? Peace. Looking to have you back. All right, let me get back to this. Let me get back to the crypto though. Let me get back to the crypto. I'm sorry y'all can't hear the music on YouTube, man. This is my jam though. Brother Ben Gordon, what's going on, twin? What's the word? Word. I know me and Ben Gordon got the same birthday. That was interesting when I first met the brother. Honorable Ben Gordon from the Chicago Bulls. Big shout out to you. If you're back in the chat, let me know. We can link up. All right, anyway, what we're looking at, right? In order for Bitcoin to see a further continuation where it's currently at, it has to break through this blue line right here, right? Nothing else matters right now. Nothing else matters right now. We gotta break through this little blue line. If we can break through this blue line, we can make it back to the white line. Then from the white line, we can go to the yellow line. And I'm telling y'all, this is how simple technical analysis can be. A child could understand this. Hey, son, look, this white line, right? Depending on where it's at specific times. Am I choppy on Instagram? I mean YouTube? Am I coming through choppy on YouTube? Let me know if I'm coming in choppy on YouTube. Somebody says it's choppy. Let me know how the audio is. Sounds like I'm in the tunnel. I don't know what happened there. Let me see. Let me see. Sounds like I'm in a tunnel. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah. Okay. I don't know what's going on. Let me know if it's coming through any clearer for you. Let me know if it's coming through any clearer for you for those on YouTube. We can hear you just muffled. I don't know why it's muffled. I don't know why it would become muffled, man. Got a whole new sound system over this, right? Microphone, do everything. I don't know why it's muffled or kind of bad. Uh, Hey, look, I don't know why it's coming through muffled on YouTube. I do apologize. I may just end it on YouTube and finish everything on Instagram, or I may just continue to go through because it may just come back in, right? In and out, clear and unclear. Yeah, I don't know. Hold on, let me see. Man, okay, there we go. All right, let me know how my audio is on Slice X. What's going on, big homie? What's the word? Y'all, let me know how I'm sounding on YouTube. Let me know how I'm sounding on YouTube. I disconnected and reconnected the mic. Hopefully, it fixed something. You said I'm better now. You said I'm better now. Is the muffled song gone? The muffled noise gone now on YouTube? I was fine. I got people saying yes, no. Nah, BG was a beast. Sounds better on YouTube. A little better now. Might have to move the party to IG. Well, I'm gonna keep going on YouTube for now. I'm gonna keep going on YouTube for now. Hopefully, it starts to pick up and the audio starts to come through clearer. Once again, I do apologize for the audio. It sounds like I'm on a speaker. You know what that might be? Let me do this. Hold on. We can hear you, just not as clear at the beginning. Let me know if it sounds okay. You were choppy here on YouTube for a minute. Okay. So the audio's clear on YouTube now? The audio's pretty clear, clearer than it was, hopefully. Inshallah. When you put your mouth close to the mic, it's clearer. Okay. All right. Well, I'm gonna speak directly over the mic like I am now. All right. So now we see Bitcoin rejected from the 78.6% retracement level, which is $101,608.09. If we continue to reject from there, we can come down and back test these previous support levels. So that'll be the $100,000 level, 98,956, and 97,863. All right. Now, if you end up breaking and closing below this yellow or orange yellow line right here, what'll then happen is that may trigger a reversal, and we could see Bitcoin back down near the lows around $94,000 again. All right. So it really all depends on what happens within this range that it's in right now. If we can clear, let me make a roadmap for you. See this rejection right here. Hold on. Look at this clear rejection right there. You see that rejection, right? If we can pass through that rejection and move up and take out this point here, right? Hold on. There we go. If we can take out that point there, what that's gonna do is that's gonna open up the door for you to go from this white line to this yellow line. So that means Bitcoin can go from where it's at now at 101K up to $106,000. Okay. Thoughts on Sologenics new crypto card? No thoughts. I haven't done any research on it, so I can't give an opinion. I do apologize. So now what this is showing, right? This is showing, and I'm giving you all what is known as proof of work as far as technical analysis goes of why I'm coming up with the specific levels that I'm coming up with, right? Never let somebody tell you they think something's going somewhere without showing you a roadmap of how they think it's going to get there. All that conjecture ain't worth nothing. All that, man, it's going here, blah, blah, all that don't mean nothing, though. Technical analysis, let TA be your guide. Let the TA be your guide, okay? Now, what you're seeing right here, once again, rejected from the 78.6. Your first target or area of interest to the downside, if this stays as a rejection, is 100K even. Below that, 98.9 and then 97. Okay. Now, if we're looking at Ethereum, who's had a very, very, very beautiful one, very beautiful one, let's go ahead and tighten this up a little bit. Hold on. Let me get whatever's on here. And then what we're going to do is we are going to look. Yeah, I'd say this is our previous high back down to 3,700. Well, if we look at our previous high here at about 39.40 broken down, you can see you're in your second golden ratio range. You are now in your second golden ratio range. Let's see if you can break out or fail. So in order to see further continuation out of XRP, where we currently at, we need to clear 40.66, right? Clear $4,066, and that opens up the door for 41 to about 42 and a half $100. If we fail, we need to hold about 4 grand, and if we lose support at that $4,000 level, we'll look for a pullback coming down to about 39.40. Okay, we'll look for a pullback coming down to about 39.40 from there. So as of right now, as long as you stay within this little golden pocket right here, there we go. As long as you stay within this little golden pocket, right there we go. As long as we're able to hold in this golden pocket, ETH has a possibility of continuing to the upside from where you currently lie. Now, the only thing that I have, the only problem that I have with some of these continuation moves, and why I think that they're more than likely going to be short lived, um, is really because of the oscillator, right? Especially if you look at the high compared to where you're at right now, right? If you're looking at your indicator, look at this indicator. Look at where this high is, and then look at where your new high is. You're not as strong as you was on that last run up. What that means is that on this last run up right here, look at your MACD down here, same thing. Look at this last run up, and now look at the run up you have now. It's a lot weak. It's a lot, okay? So what I'm saying and what I'm showing you is a form of bearish divergence. These are the things that people don't want to listen to. It's like, oh, that guy's bearish. Don't listen to him. Prices are going to continue to pump to the fucking moon and da 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 da. But it's like these are the type of things that individuals ignore, and then when something happens, it's because this person said something or because this news came out, and it's like what? I was telling you price is going to pull back because of these measures, not because of any type of fundamental analysis. With me, it's damn near 90% technical analysis. You understand? So what this is telling me, right? What this is telling me is that you have a higher possibility. Let me say that you have a higher possibility of a pullback because of what we're seeing in the chart as it relates to the other indicators. Is that making sense to y'all? Even for those that don't understand technical analysis, the way that I just broke it down, does that make more sense as far as how individuals are able to give what look like predictions, but are more so educated guesses based off of the amount of information they're able to accumulate? I just want to make sure I'm clear to everybody and I'm not losing nobody. Because you got a lot of people out here talking. You got a lot of people out here talking, but who's really showing the work? They're talking confidently. They sound confident as hell, but who's really showing you the reasons behind their comment? You get what I mean? The top oscillator is the RSI, Relative Strength Index. The one on the bottom is the MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence. That's what you're looking at. All right, now let's take a look at something. What I wanna step back and take a look at here. We're looking at the Fear and Greed Index, right? This is the Fear and Greed Index. What this shows kind of the sentiment in the market. Are we in extreme greed? Are we in extreme fear? Are we more so in a neutral zone, which is currently where you want to buy, right? You really want to buy when you're coming out of extreme fear and into extreme greed. Right now, we're closing in on being in extreme greed area. Like if you see here, it says yesterday, hold on, we were in extreme greeds over 80. Last week over 84. Last month we were in the greedy zone over 62, right? What that's showing is that people are being very greedy in the market right now. The market has a way of what's the word I should use? Um, calming that greed down, right? It has a way of calming that greed down, okay? Because this is FOMO action right here, right? This is FOMO. If we look at the comparison to altcoin season, we can see that we are 86% of the way into full blown altcoin season. If that's not a sign of the FOMO that's being set in right now, I don't know what is, right? So I'm of the opinion that prices right now are raising due to smart money playing it the right way, reeling the fish in. And what they're doing is they're bringing everybody into what's called a bear net, right? They're reeling everybody in, saying pump, 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 come put your money in. Hey, if you've never bought Bitcoin, fuck what, buy it at $100,000 and we're gonna drop it back down to 91,000 and make you sell because you're not used to the volatility. You understand the games that they play with individuals that aren't really knowledgeable or familiar with the system? Mhm. You're right, real John Matt. He said people are waiting on numbers on the screen to skyrocket, and they have no idea what they're investing in. They really don't even know what they're looking at. They're just looking at the number, man. The number's going up. Think of it like this: if somebody was to buy Bitcoin right now and it went below where they bought it, they would feel some type of way. Like, hold on, why is it going down? Why is it going down? You get what I'm saying? So, but nonetheless, there is a bullish sentiment in the market. Let's get into some of the stories for today. Get into some of the stories for today. Kels the Great, what's going on? We got two of the greats on the line right now in the crypto space. Slice Hayek and Kels the Great. If you're not following them, you should be. If you're not following them, you should be. Now, it goes on to state that Ether price returns to 4K for the first time since March. Ether is once again trading above $4,000 following months of disappointing price action and negative sentiment. The price of Ethereum has broken past the $4,000 price level following months of lackluster price performance, reclaiming levels not seen since March of 2024. Not too long ago. All right, we're at the end of the year. All right, so we're back now. Each positive performance follows months of trading below its 200-day exponential moving average, which is a dynamic level of support. Remember, when you're understanding technical analysis, two of the greatest things that you need to comprehend is support and resistance. That's going to dictate kind of what you're looking for as far as a buy or a sell, right? If you read the Bitcoin white paper, you will know Bitcoin will punish greediness. I like that. I like that. In fact, I'm probably gonna drop the Bitcoin white paper in the Brother Rich Discord chat. It goes on to state. It goes on to state. Currently, the relative strength index is approximately 71 and entering into the overbought territory. So they're talking about the RSI. They're talking about go back to Bitcoin. Well, no, they're talking about Ethereum. My fault. If you go back to Ethereum, they're talking about this right here. Right now, you're at 73.8, 73.8 in your RSI. This right here. You're at 73.8 in your RSI. We'll move that up a little bit. Now, what's even more interesting is look at Bitcoin. Hold on, look at this. Look at this. Hold on, let me get a clear chart. Look at Bitcoin even, right? Let me get rid of that. Let me show you. Let me show you the type of things that you have to be able to identify. Okay. These are the type of things that you want to be able to identify. So now peep this out. Peep game, right? And I'm looking at it because I just seen it, but these are the type of discrepancies that more advanced players of the game, right, know how to look for. So we're going to pay attention to this. Let me do it like this. Let me do it like this. We're going to pay attention to this high. We're going to pay attention to this high. We're going to pay attention to this high. Now remember, this is relative strength. This is the relative strength of the market. How strong is the market? And what you're seeing is the market was strong, not as strong, and now nowhere near as strong on your indicator, right? Once again, strong, not as strong, nowhere near as strong on your indicator. Okay, does fully have a view on swing trading crypto? I'm more so a position trader. I'm more so a position trader. I look for the right positions. It's not daily. It's not weekly. It's just whenever I see the right position. Now, I will say this: it's more for a long term. It's more for a long term position, right? I will say that. Anyway, what are we looking at? Strong, not as strong, nowhere near as strong. But then when we look at price, right? What's going on, Queen Wealthy Rise? Good afternoon. Uh, yeah, I'm feeling decent. Mouth hurting like a mug right now. To be honest with you, that up in the top of my gum, up at the very top in the upper left hand corner, that shit starting to you starting to feel that like that throbbing pain. I'm already to get through all these stories, but I wanted to bring individual information. So look, you got a high to this high, right? So strong, way stronger, and now way stronger. Whoa, price is breaking out. But then you're looking at how strong that breakout is. You're like, man, this is weak as hell. It's unsustainable. You get what I mean? You get what I mean? So it's like if you're able to understand these things, right, and comprehend them. Look at your MACD. You went from positive into negative. So now you're breaking out right now on negative momentum. You're breaking out right now on negative momentum. Okay. Now, what does this mean, Mr. Bully? That Oragel will get your tooth right, or I don't think Oragel. I don't know what type of chemicals Oragel got in it. Oragel. Oh yeah, I don't know what type of chemical. I'll be better off more natural putting cocaine on my teeth. What Novocaine used to be made of. Uh, what I was about to say. Oh yeah, we're looking at what is that bearish divergence that we're looking at, right? What does it mean? What does it mean? Take a look. What is bearish divergence? No origin. Coconut oil and cloves switch around for 30 minutes. Yeah, those are the natural remedies. Vanilla extract on a cotton ball and place in pain. It will numb it after a while. Vanilla extract? Really? Interesting. It goes on to state that the bearish divergence is the pattern that occurs when the price reaches higher highs. Pay attention. This is what I keep trying to tell y'all. Education is where you're going to get paid from the most. Education. Education. All right? Rockside the gargle. Yeah, this shit hurt. Huh. This shit really hurt now. But it goes on to say that a bearish divergence is the pattern that occurs when the price reaches higher highs, while the technical indicator makes lower highs. Let's go ahead and take a look real quick. I want y'all to learn. Look, you can follow the people that just say buy this, buy that, buy this, buy that. Or you can follow somebody that really wants y'all to understand why you're buying, when you're buying, and that way you'll be able to make your own decisions of what and when to buy versus having to wait for somebody to go live. The this investor to tell you what to do, that investor to tell you what to do, this shiller, that content creator, this guru, that guru. The bully is one of the few that want y'all to learn how to do this shit yourself, so you don't have to come to me, so you don't have to pay me, right? That's why I go laugh so much. You, you know how many people I probably knock out from signing up for a class because of how live I go? People have told me like, man, I made a lot of money off your page, off your Instagram, off your YouTube, and I've never paid for a class, which is all right. I get my payments back through the universe, right through the creator, karma. Uh, you know the what is it called? The cycle of reciprocity, right? Comes one way or another. Um, but anyway, what we're looking at here, right? You're seeing higher high, but then you see the power go high, lower, high, lower, high. So now what does that mean? Although there is a bullish attitude on the market, the discrepancy, remember that's a discrepancy, there's a difference. This isn't matching this. This isn't matching this. And this right here should match this. Look at the past. Look, didn't this match right here? Look, didn't that match? Look at the past. Didn't this look exactly the same right here? Is this? Isn't it a direct carbon copy? Look at that. Look at the carbon copy. Look at the carbon copy, and then look when the carbon copy breaks. Look at that. You see the difference now? You see the difference now? Look at the carbon copy in the past, and then look when the carbon copy breaks trend. These are the type of things that you want to be able to identify as a technical analyst. Okay. They say Jasmine coin is going to be used in the Chinese healthcare system. I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. I don't trade off of news. I trade off of technical analysis, man. I've been listening to news articles and reading news articles for going on damn near 8 years. I trade off of technical analysis. You know, I keep the fundamentals in the background and in my subliminal. When I see it breaking out, then I think, okay, this is breaking out. The technicals look good. Damn, and they got good technology, right? You get what I mean? It's almost the equivalent to, right? It's almost to the equivalent to for those that are like sapiosexuals, right? It's like, damn, he and or she is smart as hell and they look good. You get what I mean? That's how you kind of want to look at it. So for me, it's like, man, the technical analysis is good and the fundamentals is fire. Oh yeah, this is a winner, right? Right? Just the way I look at it, though. Just the way I look at it. Anyways, back to the teaching. Back to the teaching. Back to the teaching. So what we're looking at right now is a possibility. What? Hold on. What does it say? Although there is a bullish attitude on the market, the discrepancy, right? Hold on. Why did this pull up? There we go. The discrepancy means that the momentum is slowing. Therefore, it is likely that there will be a rapid decline in price. All right. Toothache remedy: pack your gum area and aching tooth with baking soda and crushed cloves or clove oil. I ain't had baking soda since I was a kid. Yeah, I ain't bought. I'm gonna tell you what's interesting about like past trauma. I don't know if you want to call it trauma, just past memories, right? How they could trigger certain things. Like when I walk through stores, Walmart or whatever the case may be, like I walk through and I see baking soda, or I walk past and I see like Pyrex. We don't sell Pyrex no more. But if you see like the fake Pyrex, no, they do still sell. But I'm thinking of Anchorware. I'm thinking of the but like when I'm walking by and I see Pyrex, it like triggers something. I don't know. It's real weird. It's like a triggering of a memory of going to buy that shit for only one reason. It's very interesting. Um, clothes will numb the area. Okay, okay. I need to knock down whatever it is though. See, somebody else said baking soda isn't good for the teeth. So it's like, what you supposed to do? Anyways. So now, what are we looking at here? Once again, Bitcoin breaking out the higher highs, but when we look at the technical indicators, we're seeing lower highs. In my humble opinion, this is a clear indication that yeah, it's all antibacterial. This right here is a clear indication, in my humble opinion, that we are looking at the possibility of a correction. Now, your thing as a technical analyst to try to figure out where will that correction come in at, right? That's your job as a technical analyst. Where would that correction come in at? So we're going to get back to the technicals in a minute, but let's run through the article real quick. Let's run through the article and see exactly what they're saying about Ethereum, and I'm going to give my opinion on Ethereum. Which, if you've been watching me for the last couple of months, really the last couple of years, if you've been watching me for the last couple of months, the prices that we're currently seeing right now in today's times are exactly the prices I told you we were going to see months ago. If anybody that's been on my lab since we'll say April of this year, all the way up to $102,000. These are all the prices I told you that we were going to be seeing at certain levels with broke. What happened? It was left the raw Peruvian. Yeah. Um, what happened? We broke those levels. We seen the targets. Coconut oil and cloves powder do some good. I need to go grab some clove powder. That's what I'm gonna have to do. But anyway, so it goes on to state. It goes on to state. Where do we leave off? All right, here we go. According to data from CoinMarketCap, the price of Ethereum is up 2.8% on the day. It has gained about 10.7% over the past week. Ether's positive performance follows months of trading below its 200-day exponential moving average, which is a dynamic level of support. Currently, the relative strength index is approximately 71, really a 73.8 if we just looked at it, and entering over to the overbought territory. Remember, something is overbought, that means it's too expensive. That means it needs to actually be priced a little bit cheaper. Once again, these are the type of things that you want to think about. You get what I'm saying? Holy shit. These are the type of things you want to think about. Hmm. Analysts believe that the price of Ethereum could reach $7,000 during the current market cycle, boosted by record inflows from exchange traded funds and a robust ecosystem of developers building on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, the release of the Denton upgrade in March of 2024 dramatically lowered fees for Ethereum Layer 2 scaling networks, using Ethereum Layer 1 revenues to collapse by 99%. Decreased fees translated into reduced demand for the native asset of the smart contract platform. However, network fees began to rebound in September. Data from Token Terminal shows the Ethereum-based layer generated approximately 10.9 million in fees on December 5th. For comparison, Ethereum generated fees in the $500,000 range during the height of the fee suppression in August. The collapse in Layer 1 revenues prompted some investors and analysts to proclaim the Ethereum network was dying due to cannibalization from competing Layer 2 networks. Y'all remember when they was doing all those articles and all those stories about ETH being dead on YouTube? And I'm like, what? Like, they crazy. Like, what do you mean? What do you mean? What? Right? Okay. It goes on to state that longtime Ethereum Foundation researcher Justin Drake proposed saving the Ethereum roadmap by introducing a native sequencer on Layer 1 network run by Ethereum validators. Excuse me. A sequencer allows Layer 2 scaling solutions to order transactions. Drake explained that introducing a Layer 1 sequencer for Ethereum would bolster composability between decentralized applications and rollups in the ecosystem. Yeah, they were super tweaking when they were saying that. Hold on, I got a request from our homie Slice IX. Let me go ahead and bring them on too. Let me go ahead and bring them on. Now, for tonight's class, for those that are going to be joining tonight's class, we are going to be talking about AI tokens and AI agents. Okay, this is kind of the newest sector within the crypto sphere. Slice, what's going on, big homie? What's the word? Man, all this truth. Oh yeah, nah, yes sir. How's everything going out there in the A? Damn, you got something? You doing something big or? Okay, 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 okay. Where you think the pop up's gonna be in case people want to pop out? Come chill. Got you. Good shit. Hey, if y'all in the tap in with Slice IX on my IG right now. So go ahead and follow him. How can we join the class? Okay, my apologies. For those that want to join tonight's class, you want to go to blockwallstreet.io. That's Block Wall Street. Just got the ATL 2 days ago. Somebody said they just made it to Atlanta 2 days ago. You want to go to Block Wall, go follow my homie Slice. Blockwallstreet.io, and you want to scroll down. You want to look under online appointment. Okay, under online appointment, you're gonna scroll down, and right here under upcoming webinars, you're gonna see what's the fuss about AI cryptos. All right, what's the fuss about AI crypto? I use BNB blockchain for swapping. I use all of them to be honest with you. BNB, Optimism, Polygon, Arbitrum, Avalanche, Snaxchain. In fact, SNX for some of the OGs in the space. I don't know if y'all know this, but SNX actually came out with its own chain. Hold on. Yeah, hell yeah. Yeah. Synthetics Epoch right here. An introduction to the snacks chain. Who got them Scooby snacks? So a new synthetics governance epoch is about to kick off, and with the launch of the synthetics app chain, Snacks Chain, which is an Optimist super chain infrastructure. Before they get into all that, let me see. Snap chain, snap, blah, 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 blah. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Here we go. So this release is phase one of the building functionality into the chain. And I've already went and bridged money into the chain, even though it's not a lot to do, because a lot of times what you can see is you'll receive some type of compensation, reward, airdrop, or something like that for those early bridgers or those that are operating on the ecosystem. So I've already bridged capital from the Ethereum network, excuse me, into the Snacks chain ecosystem. But it goes on to state, as Synthetic expands its additional chains and L2s, Snacks Chain will act as a natural hub for governance and protocol decisions and more. Synthetics has partnered with Conduit for managing our chain infrastructure and Wormhole for cross-chain messaging between Snacks Chain and Optimism in the Ethereum mainnet. These partners and the Optimus Superchain infrastructure will enable a larger scope of utility for the chain, pending appropriate consensus from the Spartan Council. Synthetics has a long history working together with Optimism to scale Ethereum and provide a home for derivatives trading. Derivatives is like futures trading, y'all. The password reset link isn't working. Forgot passcode. Password reset link. For what? What are you talking about? It goes on to state that we were the first to deploy we were the first deployment on the OP mainnet. And we will now graduate to our own app chain for reasons above. The OP stack has some of the most talented contributors, a pipeline for new users, and upcoming interop, which will be crucial, driving users back with our chain and others in frictionless manner. So now, as I'm reading this article, right, it's things that stand out to me that are like breadcrumbs of okay, if I'm looking to invest in this space, what should I invest in? Reading this article, they spoke about three specific networks. Snacks from Synthetics, you can invest in Synthetics. Optimus or OP, which is Optimism, OP token, you can invest in OP. And Ethereum or ETH, which is Ethereum token, which you can invest in Ethereum. So y'all got to understand, I'm reading y'all articles about technology, software, and in those articles lie the meat and potatoes of why you're investing in some of these projects. You get what I'm saying? Okay, now once you understand what the project is, okay, this is software. Let me go look and see how that software is performing. You get what I'm saying? She's talking about your website, log in and save. Okay, meant to say reset password, not link. I can't log in. Password reset link isn't working. Dang. Reach out to me in my email, Ms. Jacob. Reach out to me in the email and I'll see what we can do about that. If you lost any past classes or any type of link or anything, let me know. I'll be able to give it to you. Does 555 work to the no? That 555 sale been over. That was a 55% discount on my website for about a week. That's been over. I might put a sale on past classes. But now tonight's website. I mean tonight's class is priced as is. Crypto.com now has baskets. Go ahead. What you say, Slice? 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. Mm-hmm. All right, what I'm gonna do, because I'm about to end this in a minute, because my mouth hurt. I'm gonna end this, and I'm gonna give me a minute. Let me rest for a second. I'll call you back in like an hour or so. Okay. Yeah, I know. I know. Optimism is like a super stack. No, yeah, Ms. Jacob, reach out to me in the email. I'll see if we can come to some type of conclusion. I apologize for you going through that with the website. Check out the ecosystem. Yeah, these are to see what's in investment. Definitely, definitely, definitely. That's why I read these articles. So now let's get back to the AI agent. All right. Now, AI agent. Man, so much going on in this. AI agents and on-chain government bonds. Will shape crypto in 2025, says A16Z prediction. I do invest in a lot of A16. In fact, I'll give y'all some gems real quick. Give y'all something to cook with. You can actually go and look at where is it though? Let me think. 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 Where do you find it at? Hold on. I forgot. Hold on. Let me see if I can find it. Where is it? Here we go. Anderson Howard's A16 portfolio. You can actually go look and see what their portfolio consists of and what investments they themselves as a company are invested in. What up though? With, with the what? No, 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 no. Bring my memory back. Hmm. Oh, that's hard. You want to know why? Because I don't know if people are paying attention, but one of the projects that I'm going to be covering during the Brother Rich class is Fabric Land, how they're distributing land parcels by way of trust and being able to tokenize the beneficial ownership of the actual parcel of land on the blockchain, right? So now with that, within that code, they've got it whereas the trust is actually being uploaded with the code, but that ain't even the good part. The good part is they just made their whole code open source. So they're like anybody that wants to learn how to build infrastructure on the blockchain utilizing trust, come copy our code, bro. Like that shit so raw to me. Bro, that's oh no! In fact, let me show y'all something. Let me just show y'all how much I be on it for y'all, and you're probably only gonna be able to see this on Instagram. Hold on, where my phone? Fact. It just has a digital representation, which if you really, 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 really think about it, right? This is what I really understood about the blockchain and the distributed ledger. At the end of the day, everybody, let me get you to understand something, right? It's all about the records. It's always been all about the records. Think of it like this. If you own a house, if you own a vehicle, any of that shit, right? All that matters is that there's a record of it. If there's no record of it, I'm gonna tell you something. In the public eye and in the court of law, you don't own shit. So let's just say that you lost. Let me see. I'm trying to think. No, not lost. Let's not. Let's say that due to some type of electronical error within a recording system, right? That you purchased a house and the deed was transferred to you, right? But now let's say that within their record system, it's showing that the deed was never transferred. What matters more than not? The truth that the deed was transferred, or the fact that in the records that it wasn't transferred, right? What do you have to do in order to get it? You have to correct the record. It doesn't matter that you can prove that it was done. It's not going to be set in stone until the record is corrected. It's always been about the record, bro. So it's always really been about the digital representation of that contract or whatever the terms is. It's always been about that.
Just like the music, for example, right? With the copyrights. If you do your copyright on chain, right? I'm gonna give you an example.
It cut him out. And Miss Holmes, hey, I got you. I sent your email. Believe you me, I was just talking, and that's why I was just trying to show everybody on Instagram real quick, just to show you how much I'll be on it for y'all, right? So I don't know what happened to Slice, but you can see right here, Block Wall Street LLC. What I asked them, basically before I purchase, is KYC needed? KYC is know your client, know your customer. He said, hi, KYC is not required to purchase, sell land, or take a loan. Hold on, that's big. Where else can you go buy, sell, and take a loan out against land without identifying who you are? I'm gonna wait for a minute. Where are my real estate gurus out there at? Where can we purchase land, sell land, and go get a loan of capital against that land in the traditional world right now without any type of identification papers? Anybody? I'm gonna wait.
Man, my bad. People calling me and shit.
I'm gonna wait.
You can still hear me, brother?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. You had blanked out for a minute.
Yeah. Now somebody was calling me. I had to hit the button, but nah, it ain't nowhere else that exists. I mean, even when you look at a wire, it's nowhere you can go get a wire. It's the same as anything. It's nowhere else you can go get a wire like this without having to identify yourself or get permission.
Nah, facts.
But with crypto shit, you can wire hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars shit.
Man, you can move $1 billion from one place to another without, I mean, in the comfort of your home, laying in the bed. Like, hey, I'm gonna move this from here to this account because it's all about the ledger, y'all. It's all about the ledger.
Don't even when you get on the airplane, what they say? Oh, you can't carry this much on the airplane. All right, cool. Just bring my phone.
Exactly.
I ain't even tripping.
Digital nomad. Digital nomad. Now I got you, Miss Holmes. I definitely got you. I specialize in land wholesaling. As we speak, we definitely into something. See, they're working. They're working on something. They're working on something, but not yet usable. I take it. Not yet usable. I take it. But no, the future is tokenization, y'all, and the elimination, tokenization, and the elimination of a lot of intermediaries or middlemen. All right. But even when we look at these investments from A16, we can see Z runs in their list. We can see Angel Money, where I invest in Euro dollars, is in their list. Who else? They still got Axie Infinity in here, Goldfinch, Chia, Rose, 8coin. I'm big on Helium Network. I'm huge on. This one's still running. Big shout out to everybody out there that's been mining Helium or getting those Helium mobile rewards. You just using your phone, getting paid for it on the regular. They got Optimism in their portfolio, Sui, Uniswap, AVAX, Solana, XRP, and ETH. And you can go take a look at all these. This is on CoinGecko.com. All you're going to look for is top Andreessen Horowitz or A16 portfolios by market cap. All right. How do I get? I just told you how to get to the portfolio, boss man. CoinGecko.com. All right, now let's see what the article's talking about with these AI agents. From AI agents to on-chain government bonds, A16 highlights the trends that could shape the crypto industry in 2025. All right. It goes on to say that A16 has published its yearly list of tech predictions as it anticipates the revolutionary potential of blockchain technology in 2025. This comes on the heels of Bitcoin crossing the $100,000 mark. These forecasts highlight the development from AI agents to on-chain government bonds that have the potential to influence the cryptocurrency ecosystem and beyond. The crypto predictions for crypto begin with AI agents. Now, for those that follow my page, follow any of the information that I share, y'all may remember I dropped actually, let me get my page pulled up. So I gave y'all an early access to this project right here. And this was kind of like before the wave, that fire was really, really catching on. Now you see YouTube videos about it and everything. But when I dropped it, it was still kind of under the radar. It's like, what is this? Let me see if I can find it here. Where we at? Helium Mobile. It wasn't Helium Mobile. That's another win. And there's so many wins coming out of this page right here. Where we at? Where is that? Where is that virtuals protocol? Bro, did you get any virtuals? You dealing with the virtuals or with the Luna? Uh-oh, bro gone. I didn't even know he was off. We drop slice. Let me see. Where is it? Dang, where is it now? I don't know why I can't find it anywhere. It was the virtuals token, but we had a very, 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 very early call. Oh, you know what? I know where it's at. Because it was covered by an article. That's what it was. It was covered by an article. Let me find that specific article real quick for you. Let me see. Where was it? Alt season. No, that's number of crypto millionaires doubled to 173,000 over the last year. Look at that. Number of crypto millionaires doubled to 172,300 over the last year. Come on, man. The traditional market. And I'm going to tell you something. A lot of these millionaires that are being created are your average Joe Schmoes, individuals, nerds, people that took the orange pill. You get what I'm saying? These are people that took the orange pill. DJ's another one, but that ain't it though. Where is that? Ain't it. That ain't it. MicroStrategy. Yada 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 yada. Was it this one? No, that's Bitcoin dominance. That wasn't it. Helium Mobile. That was Helium Mobile coming into Harvard. Which was this was huge right here. This was huge. Seeing that Harvard Business School, right, is going to be integrating Helium Mobile and the education based around it into their curriculum just shows you how early you all are getting the information here at the source, right? You might as well say this is like a source, like almost like boots on the ground, right? Instead of us watching the news from over here about what's going on over in other countries and we're taking their outlook on it, y'all are kind of getting the information directly from sources that are within that sector, right? But anyways, if we go take a look at it, where are we at? Virtuals protocol up another 9.2%, currently trading only at $1.85. Now, if I'm not mistaken, when I first posted this on my Instagram, it was trading somewhere around 39, maybe 40 cents, right? 39, maybe 40 cents. Yo, I'm trying to get added as a follower on Instagram. I'm already part of for those that are part of the Brother Rich Discord that want to get added to Instagram, what you have to do is send me your friend request on Discord and then just DM me your Instagram page. Because I got a lot of people trying to follow me. And instead of me having to scroll through and look for all of them, send me your DM of your Instagram and I'm going to go straight to your Instagram I'm gonna go straight to your Instagram profile and approve you. So if you're part of the Brother Rich Discord, right, go straight and just send me a DM with a profile link to your Instagram, and I got you. I hate to be repetitious, but I think the Magic Eden token airdrop is going to be major. Nah, nothing to be repetitious about. Nothing to be repetitious about at all. That's definitely going to be something major. How does Helium Mobile deal work? I'm new here. Okay, so with Helium Mobile, which might I add, I just paid my phone bill off for a year utilizing their technology and their payments, right? What it is you got kind of two different services. You can either use a phone service, which is it says $20, but it's really $25 a month plus tax. And what that allows you to do is have unlimited talk, text, data, streaming, FaceTime, the whole 9 yards, right? For $25 a month, which is one reason why I told individuals that have family plans to get not only them, but their spouses and their children in on this game, right? So what it is, and they're partnered with T-Mobile, and they work. I'm talking about excellent service, excellent service, right? Excellent service. In fact, if you look at, well, I don't want to pull it up, but for those of you that could have seen my Wi-Fi, I'm actually using the Helium Mobile hotspot. So now what happens is two different things, right? If you get the phone service and you move around about your day, I believe you have to travel at least the length of a football field a day in order to get all of your cryptos. But what you're doing is you're mining cryptocurrency by providing coverage or geo mapping for the actual company. So every day you're walking around, you're using your phone, you're mining cryptocurrency, right? And then you can either take that cryptocurrency and sell it, hold it, hodl it, or use it to pay off your bill. So now if you've got children and you're paying their phone bills, why wouldn't you allow them to have a phone service, which would then allow them to pay off their own phone bills? And if everybody is on the service, we're all bringing money into the family as a collective. You get what I'm saying? We're all bringing money into the family as a collective, right? Like I said, I just made enough to pay my phone bill off for the whole year. I believe with taxes, it was $264 for the year. So now it's all crunch time for me. Every single dollar that comes into this phone by way of mining is 100% profit. I ain't got to sell it. I ain't got to trade it. I just got to let it build up for the next 365 days. You can't see my Instagram screen? I mean, my YouTube screen? Yo, y'all can't see my YouTube screen? Can you still use the built-in hotspot on your phone with Helium? Yeah, hell yeah, I can still use my hotspot to connect to other things with. Yes, yes. Can you go to the Helium post on the IG again? The statement receipts, I'm curious, I need to reactivate my, wait, what? The statement receipts, I'm curious, I need to reactivate, man. I don't understand the question. Do you have a promo code? You can use my promo code. I'm not big on it, but if you want a promo code, because I think you do get paid if you sign up. I forgot what they're offering right now for the promo code. But you can go to my website, blockwallstreet.io. Go to contact us and email me the word helium. Email me the word helium. And I'm gonna make sure you get the referral link or the promo code. Email me the word helium. Now, on top of the internet, right? On top of the internet, and I'm gonna tell you something. This is one reason why if you got somebody that lives in an apartment building, right? Hey, look, if you live in the projects, right? If you live in the projects and you buy one of these hotspots and you open it up for everybody in the project building to use, meaning that anybody's able to log on and utilize your Wi-Fi, you know how much money you're gonna make? Because it's based off of the connection. They want individuals to use this. So if y'all was to get one of these, not just the projects, but if you stay in an apartment building, it's that much more better because the way you log on is similar to somebody coming to Starbucks, where if they're looking through their thing, they're going to see Helium Free Mobile. They're going to click on it. It's going to open up and tell them to put in an email, a name, whatever name, and a zip code. And then they're going to be able to connect to that Helium Mobile hotspot, and you're going to get paid from them using your internet. So right now, the internet that I'm using to stream to all y'all on, I'm getting paid for this by way of my Helium Mobile hotspot miner that I have connected in my house. I'm telling y'all, this shit is bigger than what currency to trade. There's a whole new fucking financial ecosystem over here. What's that song? 1,000,000 ways to 1,000,000 ways to die. Yeah, 1,000,000 ways to die. It's 1,000,000 ways to make money in the crypto space. It's not just trading, y'all. It's not just trading. I need y'all to understand that. All right. Let me see. Ira said, I make an average of $10, $15 a day off the Helium hotspot alone. Do you have to pay monthly on the hotspot once you pay the Nah, hell no. You pay $249 one time. You don't pay anything else for the hotspot. $249, $250, $260 plus taxes, one-time payment. You don't pay anything else. Absolutely not. I'm gonna do that after I get the phone service. I need to get paid for everything I use and abuse. Facts. Get paid for everything you do. Why make money when you don't need to spend any? Man, I'm telling you. If you have Helium mobile app, it automatically connects to the Wi-Fi, no password needed. Nice. Nice. Literally a digital farm. It is. It is. It's a financial playground to me, y'all. That's all this is, a financial playground. Hey, y'all, grab a hotspot for sure. And they use service and use the service, it pays for itself. So now that y'all understand the way that I'm freeing people, it's not just by me showing y'all what to buy, when to buy it. It's by me showing y'all that there's a new financial ecosystem that we can take advantage of and get ahead of and front run the rest of the world with. You know how many people are getting paid right now because they bought hotspots because of the information I shared? They got a phone service because of the information I shared? Amongst the many other things, right? I'm telling y'all, you're going to get paid off the information more than you are chasing the fucking money. If you're trying to chase every single pump, Tom, Dick, and Harry pump, I guarantee you're not going to be as successful as us crypto nerds over here. I guarantee it. We're getting paid off of shit we use that we didn't even know we was going to get paid from. You get what I mean? You know how many airdrops I've gotten? You know how many free $5,000 tokens I've gotten from both of these machines? In fact, if anybody received the golden goose, let me hold on. Where the golden goose at? Where's the golden goose at? Let me see. For anybody that has received the golden goose, let me see if I can find it. Where's the golden goose at? Hold on. Let me show you how this space plays. Let me show you how this new financial system works. And you tell me the last time T-Mobile or Xfinity or any one of them just popped up and gave you a check in the mail. Let me know. Let me know. All right, what's the golden goose? What's the golden goose? Hey, actually, all this yelling and shit and all this talking really got my jaw hurting, Miss Des. To be honest with you, I'm about to get off the live in a minute. I just got excited real quick. Now, what is the golden goose? Hold on. Wait, maybe that's not. Where is the actual? All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, now where's the information about the golden goose? That's what I want. I went to this Chicago meetup right here too. I actually went to this. All right, here we go. So in Chicago, the theme of the night was our golden goose promotion. If you haven't heard, every hour, 32 subscribers are randomly selected to win 5,000 mobile and a goose NFT. If a golden goose visits your hotspot, it will lay an egg and reward you with 10,000 mobile, right? As the marketing teams designed GG the goose, I had the honor of wearing the goose. Okay, we're not interested in all that, but let me just show y'all. For those that are on Instagram, let me show you how many of these golden gooses I've gotten so far. Right? Let me show y'all real quick. Let me show you that it's real. Hold on. I can't show you because it's gonna show my address if I show that hotspot right there. Let me see how I can show y'all this without showing y'all this. Hold on. Let me see how I can show y'all this without showing y'all this. Yeah, it's some really, really Wonka shit. It is. It's some wild Willy Wonka type shit where we get paid for the dumbest shit in the space. Right? But it's not though. It's innovation. It's future. You get what I'm saying? It's the new financial it's the earn to live economy. Once again, we are in the earn to live economy. All right? All right? Now, let me see if I can cover these up real quick without showing them to y'all. Y'all can see, right? Hold on. For those that are on Instagram, y'all can see right there, right? I've already earned 3.4 thousand mobile tokens and about 8.7 IoT tokens, right? This is what I can claim right now, 3.4K. And it's just off me using my internet, y'all. This is just me using my internet right here, right? I can claim my rewards if I want to right now. Now, if I go and I look at, hold on. If I go and I take a look, let me see. Give me 1 second. Hold on. We look at my NFTs. Where's them golden gooses at? Where's them golden goose? Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to find these golden gooses for y'all. Hold on. Trying to find these golden gooses for y'all. Let me see. Where are my NFTs? Badges. Here go one of my gooses right here. Here go one of my golden gooses from when I got the golden goose. Right? I got a few of them golden goose across multiple devices. So let me not even just focus on the golden goose. What I'm telling y'all is that we're living in an economy right now where you can get paid off of your mind and how much you know. No more is it about hard work and elbow grease. The hard work is going to come mentally. How mentally fit are you in this space? Anybody can watch a YouTube channel and say, "Hey, they said buy H bar." In fact, I'm gonna tell you what the majority and correct me if I'm wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm gonna tell you what the majority of the shit y'all getting fed out here in this crypto space is about. XRP, ISO 222 tokens, HBAR, maybe Fetch AI, XLM, Pi. I don't know why everybody's all gung-ho about this goddamn Pi network shit. Pi. Let me see who else out there is kind of the big Algorand. Let me see. What's some of the big names people are? Casper. And when I'm talking, it's over 10,000 different cryptocurrencies in this space. But as I get, more and more clients, the same names keep popping up. I'm trying to take y'all out of that comfort zone. I don't hear anybody talking about decentralized land. I don't hear anybody talking about getting and owning their business on the blockchain, which because don't nobody talk about it, I own a lot of y'all businesses. Because I'm going to say something once, twice, a third time. If I go back and look and you ain't bought your shit, I'm buying it. What does that mean? If you have a business in the traditional world, if you got an LLC, if you got a company name, if you have a website, definitely if you have a website, you need to be buying your digital website on the new internet, on Web 3.0. Because if you don't, you're doing it wrong. And this is what they're not telling y'all. I've never heard these. Well, I'm not gonna name. I've never heard these people talk about, hey, look, man, do you got your .com, your .crypto with it, your .eth with it, your .go with it, your .zil with it, huh? I don't hear that. Right? I don't hear that shit. Hey, I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. My fucking mouth is hurting like hell right now. I'm actually gonna end this live. Good energy though. Good energy. God damn, this shit hurts. It really hurts. Uh, we're gonna have class tonight. I'm gonna try to get through it. If you're interested in tonight's AI class, we're gonna be going over AI tokens. Go to blockwallstreet.io, blockwallstreet.io, and scroll down under online appointments and go to upcoming webinars. I was on the road for a minute, wasn't I? I was on the road for a minute, but man, this shit hurt. Go to upcoming webinars. Right, I'm massaging my mouth right now. That's why I sound all funny. I'm massaging my gum. We'll go to upcoming webinars. What's the fuss about AI cryptos? I got a couple of hours to heal myself. Right, I got a couple of hours to heal myself. Also, what I'm gonna do, just because I love giving out deals, I'm gonna put use the code 300. You know, we 300. Take it back to the early drill days. Use the code 300 on blockwallstreet.io and get any of my past classes at a 30% discount. So anything under the shop, if you want to get the past XLM class, XRP class, Solana class, really y'all should be focusing on the different ecosystems, right? Because I really focus on different ecosystems. But get any one of these 30% off using the code 300. All right. I'm gonna update the coupon here in about 5 minutes, so y'all can go purchase whatever it is you want. If you're just now coming to the space and you're brand spanking new, I suggest getting the beginners package with the book and the 2 videos. It still comes with a free 15-minute consultation. Some choice ones you don't want to sleep on. Boot Camp Week 17, How to Invest in Digital Real Estate, Part 1 and Part 2. If you want to really do a deep dive and learn how to self-bank, I got an 8.5 self-banking masterclass, 8.5 hours, 30% off of the $800 value. All right. So I appreciate you all. Can't wait to the 21st. I'm gonna be back. I'll probably, worst comes to worst, I'm probably gonna get it pulled before the 21st because I gotta talk for 6 straight hours. I'm not gonna be able to do that with a toothache. Numb it with whole cloves and take some oil of oregano with coconut oil and swish it around area pain. Thank you. Hey, I appreciate all the love I got, all the natural remedies I got. Try hypnosis for the pain. Somebody told me to try hypnosis once. Brother Minister B Better does hypnosis, actually. He does a lot of hypnosis. But nah, hey, I appreciate y'all. I appreciate everybody who was able to tune in, tap in. Will there be a replay link afterwards to hear later? Yeah, every single one of my classes I've ever done over the past 8 years have been recorded, and people have always been able to get a copy of that class. I could literally show you a class I did in 2017, 2018 with a group of people, walking them through how to get into decentralized finance. Right? So yeah, everything's available. Good. Damn. I appreciate you all. Until the next one. Peace, power, and prosperity, family. I'm out of here.